What's up everyone, it's Quade here back again with a brand new video, and today we're going to be talking about a new product that I have. We're going to do a little bit of an unboxing experience for you today, and you know what, we're going to be able to try out the new top-down shot. You're over there right there, and I'm right here in front of you with the nice cool background, Yes, let's jump into this one. So we're going to jump into this unboxing of a product that I have, and if you can see right here, this is not new, but see, okay, my dream office nearly completed. Have some new stuff here that I can't wait to show you guys, but this is a big part of it. And because since I am doing live streams now, I want to be able to have different camera angles. So I was like, all right, if I'm doing different camera angles, right now you see me like this. You see me up here with the top down shot. There's also an angle that I feel like I'm missing. That's like a side view angle from like right here, and you can see like what's behind me. I have some cool posters and stuff that I want to show off. So I need like a shot that's like right in this vicinity. And the reason why I want this is just to add a little bit more, you know, different views. I could do like different shots. It just makes it more interactive, and to make the live streams way more interactive too. Which is why I decided to pick up a new camera system right here. This is the Sony ZV-E10. So this is the younger brother to the ZV-1 that I have right now that you seen on this video. This came out afterwards. This is more of a... So the ZV-1 is more of a point and shoot mirrorless camera for like vlog and stuff like that. You can't take the lens off, but this one you can actually take the lens off of it. So it's different systems, so you can like customize with different lens, similar to what my Canon is right here, which you can, I can change the lens for the Canon. So it's going to be, you're going to see how this works, you know. Definitely going to be it's definitely going to be more of a versatile camera for me to have the multiple lens. And if I ever want to do a vlog and different type of different shots, this is going to be very, very, very helpful when it comes to YouTube. And I was doing some research. This is like one of the best YouTube cameras out there, along with the ZV-1, along with the Canon EOS M50. So for beginners, you know, of course, if you are more experienced to have more money, you have stuff like the Sony A7 III, what we call those 3000 expensive cameras that everyone loves. But we're not rich, so we're not doing that. And this is such a company, you know. No, just joking. But yeah, so we're gonna do this little unboxing. So now you see me from here, and now we're gonna go up here. All right. So this just came to me today. Also in this box right here is just a continuous battery thingy. It's a dummy battery. It's for continuous shots, which is definitely gonna be very helpful when it comes to, you know, live streaming and stuff like that. And actually right now I have dummy batteries in both my cameras right now to shoot because, well, it's just a little bit easier, but also too when it comes to live streaming, you want to have that continuous video. You don't want your video cut off halfway through. So always invest in some sort of dummy battery that you have a way to just use your cameras continuously. Sony does have a Sony branded one for this, and I might pick it up in the future because of course you don't want to fry your camera, so you gotta make sure you get the correct one. This one I have is, I believe, from Newer, which is a very trusted brand, at least to me. I have used their products in the past, and they have not done me any wrong, so I'm hoping they don't do me wrong here either. If they do, someone's paying for my camera to be fixed. It's not gonna be me. So, but you know, you buy things at your own risk, right? So yeah. So let's, you know, pop this open. I don't know why I'm struggling. All right, that made that thing like anti-theft proof or something. So you know, you open up, you have your stuff, you have your manuals of sort. You know, pluck them and file them. Little of a what's my boys? Little pluck them and file them like Flossy Carter. I don't know why I almost forgot his name for a second. One of my favorite YouTubers out there. All right, so you know, of course, you get your battery. You get your battery. You know, you need that to power the thing, right? You get a USB-C to USB-A type cable, type port, which is definitely nice to have. You get a little camera neck grip, you know, whenever you want to put it around, have it around your neck or something, you have that strap. And then you got a, wow, that should give you a battery brick. You don't see these often in products these days, so I'm a little bit shocked to see that. You get a wind guard for, you know, if you're outside. This is a vlogging camera, so you know. All right, and then right here we have the main course. So they do sell this without the lens if you already have a lens system. I don't, so you know, I didn't get it with the lens. And here we go. This is it right here, the Sony ZV-E10. This is definitely way heavier than well, I'm assuming here the ZV-1. So this is why people say the ZV-1 is better for like on-the-go vlogging, because it is a very light camera. The lens goes back inside. This is definitely heavier, and you know, you definitely feel the weight is bulkier, obviously, because the lens detaches and stuff like that. But I like it. This is a very nice camera. You know, this is what it looks like. The back. Yeah, this is very. It's gonna be very awesome. You know, I'm excited to use this. Excited to go. So this camera is actually gonna replace the ZV-1 as my main camera system. So it is gonna go sit here, and the ZV-1 is gonna move over to the side that I'm talking about for those type of shots. But you know what? We're already here. So you know what? Let's switch over here. So I said we were gonna switch over here, but we're still right here, and that's because a couple days after recording this video, I finally decided to edit it, and I was like, whoa. So like I said, well, I didn't say it because it won't ever see that footage. But I didn't play with any of the settings, and I still haven't really played with much of the settings besides one thing that I did because I recorded a video today. And let me know in the comments below what video was recorded at the same time as this little segment. You can tell by one thing. And it was because the sound was crazy. They had the volume settings all the way up to like 24 in the audio settings, and like it was the audio, even with my mic connected, it sounded so distorted, so bad. It was horrible. And I was like, okay, I wanna be successful on YouTube, and I cannot put that out there. I just cannot. It was just so horrible. But you know, that's good because now I get to tell you a little bit more about how I feel about the ZV-E10. You know, right here off the top of my dome, because I'm just doing this as I'm editing. So yeah, so what I like about this camera a lot, first of all, it's kind of like just a chunkier, better version of the ZV-1. Like I said in the video, you do have the customizable lens, which is pretty awesome. I really love that about this camera. It's nice and hefty, has a nice heft to it. I like heavy tech. I don't know why. I just feel like it's built better than like flimsy, cheap feeling tech. Like when I'm holding like the Pixel 7, it felt cheap compared to like, you know, holding up a 14 Pro. And it just didn't feel the same to me. So I love hefty tech, and I love how this feels. It looks amazing, looks beautiful, looks premium for a camera of this price, for this price point, and everything about it. It looks great. Like, look, once again, I haven't played with any settings besides the audio, and I hope the audio sounds better because I recorded the whole video with this audio. And to me, it looks straight, nice at the box with automatic settings. Like, I think I look pretty good. I might be a little bit too bright in some cases, so I might have to play with the ISO. I looking at the ISO right now, it definitely is too bright. That's probably because of my line situation right now in this room. Just trying to do this real quick, but I'm satisfied with this camera. I think this is a pretty good camera for, you know, YouTubers who want to move on from their phones and want to get something a little bit more professional, which is, you know, a camera. And if you decide between getting the Sony ZV-1 or the ZV-E10, I probably go the E10 because being able to switch your lens and have a customizable lens kit is probably way more beneficial than the lighter size and the quick easy access of the ZV-1. And if I be honest with you, you could probably get shots close to ZV-1 with your phone. But what you can do with your phone is change the lens out, which I think is way more beneficial, you know, than having a lighter body camera. So I would definitely go to the E10. Yes, the lens can be expensive, but once you get more successful, once you have more money, you buy more lenses and you're all good. So, and once you have the lenses, I think there might be backwards compatible with like the higher expensive more cameras out there Sony has. So if that's the case, and you upgrade to one of those later on, you have a bunch of lenses already. So why not? So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I just want to give a quick little overview of the camera, how it works, how it looks, and I think it looks amazing. I think it works pretty nice. Because I'm doing this video before the desk upgrade video, the dream office, you got to see my new office before in the better shape than earlier on in this video before I even get to talk about it. So a little sneak peek, but that video is coming soon too. So thanks for watching. I appreciate y'all, and I will catch y'all later. Peace out.